Here's a quick way to set any song as a ringtone on an iPad running iOS 26. First, you're going to need to download a ringtone from the internet or make a ringtone under 30 seconds from a full song using voice memos. Here, I've already downloaded a ringtone from Safari. The downloaded ringtone's going to save to the Safari Download Manager. Tap on the down arrow icon to see the recently downloaded song. Open that ringtone file, then tap on the Share button at the top right corner. Under the Share sheet, tap on More Options, then tap on Use as Ringtone. The ringtone's going to be added directly to your ringtone settings on the iPad. And there you go! Your custom ringtone's ready on your iPad. You can now set any song as a ringtone for alerts and text notifications from here. As a bonus tip, if you want to delete unwanted ringtones, just swipe left on them and hit delete. That's it! For older iPadOS 18 and earlier, you'll have to use the GarageBand app. Check out my separate tutorial for that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more free tech guide video updates.